up, tech fans? Welcome to Wacky Wednesday here on the channel. I'm Biff Baxter, your host, and today we're going to do the unboxing and first look of one of the latest products from the people at Rosewill. And nope, you won't be seeing that Russian guy today, you know, who usually does the Rosewill stuff. He is out on vacation right now. You will not see Ivan. He is not here right now, so I, Biff Baxter, shall do these videos for you today. All right, so we'll jump back into it. Here it is. Got it right here in front of me. It's the Illuminated Mechanical Gaming Keyboard from Rosewill. Supposed to be bronze, you know, Cherry MX bronze, that's the key, in case you guys are wondering what I meant by that. It's basically around the $100 price range, but it's going to be totally illuminated, and we'll actually plug it in anyway. So let's jump over the table, we'll just do the quick unboxing, and then let's look at this damn thing. So, come on down. Alright, so we have the front of the box, folks. It says Cherry MX switch, this one's bronze I was told. Gold-plated USB connectors, LED indicators, durable metal inner chassis, 2-port USB 2.0 hub, and 6-key rollover. The rest of it I already told you about, the aluminum mechanical gaming keyboard, or the IMGK. That's right. I like that sound better, huh? The IMGK. Let's just call it that, folks. Let's agree. It's the IMGK by Rosewill. There we go. So here's the back of the IMGK. And we're going to get the hell out of there because I don't even care about this box anymore. So I'm going to pop it open right here. Simple thing. Oh. Looks like I actually am going to need a trusty knife, which I shall borrow from Doc's arsenal. Make a quick incision here. Another quick incision here. Quick incision in the cameraman. No, just kidding. Cameraman doesn't like to be incisioned. Politically incorrect, that's what I've heard. It's okay. So here it is in a box. I'll serve it up next with some locks. I'll serve it up with dirty socks. And then I'll look like Goldilocks. No, I don't know. I was just trying to be a funny guy there. I'm not as funny as the Doc, I know. Anyways, here's the keyboard inside of its box. We'll go ahead and just pull it out here now. And what do we got in here? All right, we've got the Rosewill. Oops, let me do that again. We've got the Rosewill. Nope. Take 5. There we go. The Rosewill Illuminated Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, the RK9100BR of the IMGK network. That's right. It sounds like a gang, the IMGK. Are you down with the IMGK? I am. All right. 2 of the gold-plated connectors right here. You can see those. All right. Enough of the gold-plated connectors. Go ahead and take those out of the package. Open the back up here. Cut a zoom, cut a zang. Let's try to get this plastic off of here. Nice steady ripper there. All right. On the back, we see 2 flipper switches. Get that up. Nice solid rubber. Solid rubber again. Since we got it on this side, here are those 2 USB 2.0 ports that we talked about earlier. In case you missed that, just hit the rewind button. You're in control. All right. Flip it around, get the box out of the way, crash and burn all night, baby. All right, so here it is. Bronze keys, make a little bit of sound. So now, let's just go ahead and let's plug this thing in to see what all the illumination is about. So I shall unplug the one I have plugged in, and then we shall plug in the new one. So. Plug 1 and a plug 2, and there we go. Illumination. Let me turn off some lights in here. So check that out, folks. Numlock key. Is it a green light telling it's on or off? It says on the screen, my device is ready to use, so you don't have to install any separate drivers. But so check it out. So it's plug and play. You can see all the keys are nice and blue. I'm actually wearing sunglasses and I can see it very well. So since you're not wearing sunglasses, or maybe you are since you want to get in the Biff Baxter character. I know I do. Whenever I watch Biff, I want to get in character. Just saying. What? Yeah, I'm just saying. All right. So, all right, folks. That's it. Over here we got a caps lock button. It also turns green. Numlock button turns green. All the rest of these beautiful switches everywhere. It's going to have 6-key rollover, it said. So this thing's going to be pretty good for gaming. For typing, I won't know till I actually use it, but I shall set it down and just take a feel of the keys. And they do feel pretty good. So, alright folks, I hope you guys like this unboxing and first look of the new IMGK. This is the RK 9100BR edition. We plugged it in, let you guys see the illumination. So far, so good. I won't really know how great it is in usage till I actually play some games in it and actually use it for a while. But for an unboxing and overview, I think it went pretty good. If you think so, hit the like button. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you are, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.